How do brown materials help compost vegan food scraps? Have you ever wondered how to turn your kitchen scraps into rich compost while living a vegan lifestyle? Let's talk about the role of brown materials in composting vegan food scraps. Brown materials are essential because they provide carbon, which balances the nitrogen found in vegan food scraps like fruits and vegetables. This balance is key for composting microbes that break down organic matter effectively. Brown materials include items like dry leaves, straw, wood chips, shredded paper, and cardboard. These materials are rich in carbon and serve as an energy source for the microorganisms that decompose waste. Vegan food scraps are usually high in nitrogen, so adding brown materials helps achieve a carbon-to-nitrogen ratio of about 25 to 30 parts carbon for every 1 part nitrogen. This balance optimizes microbial activity, speeding up the decomposition process. Another benefit of brown materials is odor control. When there is not enough carbon in the compost pile, excess nitrogen can create strong smells, often due to ammonia. Brown materials help absorb moisture and keep the compost aerated, which reduces odors and keeps the pile dry. Brown materials also improve aeration and structure. Their dry and coarse nature allows for better airflow within the compost pile. Good aeration is vital because microbes need oxygen to break down materials efficiently. Brown materials prevent the pile from becoming compacted and soggy, which can lead to anaerobic conditions that slow down decomposition and cause unpleasant smells. Moisture regulation is another important aspect. Brown materials absorb excess moisture from wet vegan scraps, like fruit and vegetable peels. This prevents the compost from becoming overly wet, which is crucial for maintaining healthy microbial activity. Additionally, a well-balanced compost pile with plenty of brown materials is less appealing to pests and wildlife. This is important for keeping your compost area clean and free from unwanted visitors. From a vegan perspective, composting food scraps with brown materials supports sustainable living. It recycles plant-based waste into nutrient-rich soil amendments without using animal products. This practice aligns with the ethical and environmental values that many people embrace in a vegan lifestyle. For practical tips, consider chopping your vegan scraps into smaller pieces to speed up decomposition. Aim for a ratio of about 3 parts brown materials to 1 part green materials, which are your vegan scraps. Collect brown materials like dry leaves or shredded paper ahead of time and keep them dry for easy use. Turning your compost pile regularly helps mix the brown and green materials, promoting faster breakdown and healthier compost. In summary, brown materials are vital for composting vegan food scraps. They provide carbon, help control odors, improve aeration, regulate moisture, and create a balanced environment for microbes. By incorporating brown materials into your composting routine, you can contribute to sustainable vegan living while reducing waste.